problem with roofs are that they're out of sight, out of mind most of the time, especially flat commercial roofs. And unless we can educate people on the amount of savings that can be realized with a preventative maintenance program, more roof replacements take place than the actual preventative maintenance. People spend thousands of dollars tearing off roofs, filling up landfills, when all could be prevented through these preventative maintenance programs, where we come in and just assess your situation. We educate you on the process, show you some examples of what we'll be doing, and then our guys will show up. You'll just get used to seeing them a couple times a year, and they're up there doing their thing. They're cleaning, they're inspecting, they're sealing things up, taking pictures, providing you with a report. In a lot of cases, we find damage that we can provide proof, give to the building owner, so that they can go back to the contractor or the third party that actually caused the damage. Or it's something they could turn into their insurance that they didn't realize. There was some wind damage or hail damage. Again, it's just bringing to light a small problem and preventing it from being a big, major expense down the road.